Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by prepping the phone and car. Plug a certified Lightning or USB-C cable into the Outlander's front USB port, because the head unit uses that port for CarPlay data. On your iPhone, enable Siri and CarPlay in Settings, and allow CarPlay while locked so it launches instantly. Once done, switch the ignition to ACC or on, and tap Apple CarPlay on the Outlander display. The system reads the phone and negotiates permissions, which is why the cable and Siri must be ready first. Once CarPlay appears, choose how you want to interact. Touch the screen for quick taps or press the steering wheel voice button to use Siri for hands-free commands. This improves safety and keeps your eyes on the road. Make sure to customize app order on your iPhone under Settings, CarPlay customize so navigation and music are front and center. Also, adjust split screen, map orientation, and display brightness from the Outlander menu to match visibility and keep essential controls reachable while driving. To finish, safely end your session by selecting the CarPlay home icon to return to the head unit or unplug the cable. This prevents background audio or phone processes from persisting. If your Outlander supports wireless CarPlay, pair via Bluetooth first and confirm the phone uses the car's Wi-Fi for faster app loading. If CarPlay fails to connect, restart the iPhone and the infotainment system, try a different certified cable, and make sure the car's software is up to date. These steps resolve most common
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.